Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the StormX. What's the current price of the StormX? What's the prices occur in the Storm? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of my viewers at this time, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Please make sure to subscribe AB Stakes channel. Thank you so much for subscribing AB Stakes channel. Let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the StormX in the market as 0.032785 USD dollar is the current price of the StormX. On the other side, if you look the price since occur in the StormX, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the StormX is going negative friends. I'm really shocked, I'm very sad to see this kind of changes occur in the StormX, that the price of the StormX is going down hour by hour, day by day, week by week. As you can see here, the last 1 hour, pricing is negative 9%. Oh my god, I'm really shocked. I'm very shocked to see this kind of change occur. Let's see the price chart. Oh, that's a really bad news for all StormX holder. I'm really sorry, but that's the reality of StormX, that now in this time the StormX is fast down. If you look the currently condition of the StormX, so currently they are also in the falling mode, and I think at this time the StormX have no idea to take a jump. But friends, always think positive, and my imagination, my prediction is that after a few hours fast, with the passage of 2 hours, after a passage of 2 hours, they again start jumping friends. After some passage of time, after some fast, they again start jumping friends. Remember that. Don't lose hope, and my personal suggestion, my personal recommendation for all of StormX holders is that please hold it and don't sell StormX. Anyways, if you check it out, the last 1 day 24-hour price since occur in the StormX, so the last 1 hour pricing as in negative 18.99%, and the highest price of the StormX is 0.041627 USD dollar friends. Absolutely, now in this time the prices occur in the StormX is going wrong, but remember that after a falls there is a jump. Now at this time the StormX have a falling time. After a falls there is a jump, so after some falls they again start jumping. So please don't do this mistake, and my personal suggestion for all of my viewers is that it's time to hold, not to sell. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about StormX? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, again I request all of you that please subscribe AB Stake channel for more news and updates videos.